Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, I hope that you are learning a lot from these lessons. Today is lesson number 11 and we are going to talk about old and modern buildings. Let's have a look at today's objectives. By the end of the lesson, students would be able to learn about old and new buildings. Can you see this picture? This is a picture of a building. That is of a bank. It is skyscraper. Do you know what is skyscraper? Skyscrapers are those buildings which are too tall. When we see them, it seems that they are touching the sky. That is why they are called as skyscraper. From this picture, it seems that this is a new building. It is not an old building. This is a picture of Quaid-e-Azam's old house. That is nearly 150 years old. Quaid-e-Azam, founder of Pakistan, lives over here. This building is an old building. It is not a new building. Now, for your written task, you have to write the names of some of the old buildings in Lahore. You can take help from your parents and you can send your homework to fsabin06@gmail.com or WhatsApp at 0302986170. Waiting for your feedbacks. Till then, bye-bye.